Welcome again, Louis Lifestyle in Maryland on YouTube, a maintenance guy on TikTok. I'm going to show you guys today how to change out filters in AC unit. And it's 99 degrees in Maryland right now, and you can see on a rooftop right here. Up on the rooftop, let me take my badge off, no one can see. Yeah, on the rooftop right here. So first thing you got to do is shut down the unit for safety reason. First thing you do, shut him down. And second thing, you're going to open this here and get the filter. The filter then is right here. So these are the filters. Use 16 by 16 and they filter them dirty. That's why it's kind of blowing less cool air down there. It's supposed to blow like 65 degree coming out, not 65 degree coming out, but about 72, 73 coming out. So that to show you the filter them is dirty. So it use 16 by 16, so for 16 by 16. So take out this filter here. Oh, a lot of dust. These filters. Yes. And guys, when you're putting in filter, you see this wire part here. This one turn in, and this part here turn out. So you're putting in this side. The wire part always turn in to the coil. Put him out. And you put in. So when the unit turn on, let me fix that one properly. Let me fix this one properly. So when the unit turn on, then it suck the filter them in. So whilst them stay turn on, so it suck the filter in, keep the filter on the coil. So this one here I have to, hold on guys, give me a minute. So yeah, put that one down there. I have to lift the bottom one then to get it tight. So this one I have to lift up to get it tight. Okay, got the top one them in now. Make sure the wire part turn inside. Okay, then you close up back. I have to use my one hand. Close it back. Right. Close up back, and then you come around here. Switch on back the unit. Yeah, and it will take some of them big units on a timer, so it take a couple of minutes to come on back. It's not like them small unit in house. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. I'm out.